What's up, everybody? I'm Dave, the Military Millionaire, and today I want to talk to you about Deal Machine, which is an app for real estate investing. Now, imagine, if you will, being able to build your list of off-market offers and being able to gain profit without having to purchase a list or get recycled a list to sellers that's already been negotiated with by other real estate agents and wholesalers. So, what's the best news? Deal Machine allows you to start, expand, and scale your real estate investment business entirely through your phone and their app, which is on the phone, which is why you do it through your phone. Deal Machine is a solid little platform and a little program. If you're in a hurry, take a look at their analysis. It's great. There's a quick summary that I'll post in the description down below. But Deal Machine is the highest rated real estate investor lead generation software on the Apple App Store and Google Play Store, with 4.8 stars for over 2,000 reviews. Now, what is Deal Machine? It's an all-in-one real estate marketing platform that allows you to drive for dollars to scale your real estate investment business. And I can tell you that when I was in Hawaii, my buddy had Deal Machine, and we used to drive around and take pictures of properties and send postcards all the time. So I've used it. I'm not currently using it because I don't drive for dollars because I'm 2,000 miles away from my market. But I probably will use this again. So it's essentially driving for dollars on steroids because it has so many functionalities. So this allows users to connect with the direct seller directly from your phone. It's going to allow you to drive around your neighborhood, look for properties that appear to be distressed, old, or boarded up. And then Deal Machine allows you to enter the address, take a photo of the house, and send a letter. Right? So Deal Machine will then go to work. They'll locate the property as well as the equity in the property, the mailing address, the contact details. And then the final step is to talk to the owner by mail or telephone. So you can send these postcards, you can call them, it'll skip trace, and it's as simple as that to begin creating your list. Now, there's a lot of ways to benefit, while driving around and using the Deal Machine app, but driving for money is awesome and it allows you to create your list. However, doing nothing with that new list will not help you close a deal. So to get the most out of Deal Machine, you must take advantage of its features. Cold calling the property owner on the spot is one of the best ways to do this, and then you can send all these postcards and you can have them scheduled to keep on going out. Even send them with like a picture of the house. So in the event that the property owner doesn't respond, give them a direct mail campaign directly from the app, right? So this technology is, it can help you develop your real estate company, which can support a variety of real estate entrepreneurs or businesses. So you can even have, I liked this about it, you can have different, like bird dogs, so you can give like 10 or 20 people access to send direct mail. So like you could have your mailman, if he sees a really distressed house, take a picture, push a button, you can tell him, hey, I'll give you $500 for every deal you find me, right? You never know. So Deal Machine requires you to drive for cash or have other people. But this entails driving around various streets, searching for homes and foreclosed homes. So if you like driving around and making money, Deal Machine is the app for you. And it's great for a lot of other things too, because they've got the CRM side and all kinds of stuff. If you're going to flip houses or choose to buy and keep, the Deal Machine will help you create a list of potential investment properties. And you can also use it as a wholesaler. Probably going to be quite aware of the advantages of this platform. And they're growing more into like the CRM side, right? So there's a lot of gurus out there that advise you to purchase a list and cold call it before you even think of doing anything else. You can do that, and you can do very well with cold call. You can do very well with texting. I personally buy lists and do direct mail all the time with Ballpoint Marketing. I'll throw a link down below to that as well. But you can also generate your own list of foreclosed homes and contact the sellers using Deal Machine, right? This driving around thing helps you find other homes. And Deal Machine is really quite affordable. So you can get their full CRM and everything. They offer a 7-day free trial. That's the real kicker here. You should just check it out. Deal Machine starts out at $49 per month, and then the most expensive is almost $3,000 per month, but that's like for a full business, right? And then they also have list options and different add-ons that you can use in there as well. Again, I specifically like the piece where you're having other people drive for you. All right, so again, Deal Machine has a variety of components that allow you to communicate with potential sellers and buyers directly from your phone. It also allows you to pull up the entire property records in seconds, right? It's quick, it's painless. I loved it for driving around for dollars. You can quickly pin properties, search for owner names, styles. You can check along property boundary lines. You can send out postcards with a photo of the property on them. You can track your driving route so that you don't drive the same street twice, which is really good if you're trying to canvass an area. And you can just, if you're really trying to cover a wide area, I think that's really awesome. It also tracks your mileage, so you can receive a mileage-based tax deduction, and it's going to keep track of your team so that if you've got a few people driving for you, you can see where the squad of deal finders is going, right? So that's cool, and I think once I move back to Missouri, I'll probably utilize this to have some other people drive for me, but you know, you never know. The full CRM is solid. It's obvious that this program is capable of a wide variety of tasks, and it deserves the attention that it receives. I've had Deal Machine on to do like a webinar for the Facebook group before. I've got to talk to some of them. They're a good player, right? So many major players in the game actually use this, and they've begun to use it and encourage it. You know, so David Machine's creator, David Lecko, did an excellent job with the program because he wanted to make it simple for anyone to create their own client list. So we admired how open he was with his business and how he involved it on social media instead of purchasing a totally cold list online. This app is going to help newbies gain momentum, right? That's how I started using it in Hawaii. I was driving around trying to gain momentum when I first started. Then again, it's great because you can develop those relationships with sellers, you can knock on doors, you know, whatever. Now I will say that as we were looking over the software, we realized there was one feature that they could add to make it really an all-in-one platform. And that would be if they allowed you to create a real estate website via the app, like a Carrot, like Investor Carrot website. Maybe they'll go that way one day, but that would give you more validity. So I definitely recommend a website. I like Investor Carrot. Check out my video on it, or ask me below, and I'll send you a link to check out my website. But you know, I mean, that's not necessary for this. So Deal Machine is a very affordable way to get started if you don't want to be pulling lists and sending direct mail. Now, if you are comfortable with pulling lists and sending direct mail, you can definitely scale that easier than you can just driving around. So you know, I hope that this helps you kind of decide, because I use RE Simply as a CRM right now, and it's phenomenal. Deal Machine, I haven't personally used their CRM, but I like the aspect of being able to drive around and look at houses. So it really depends on how much time you have versus money, right? If you have all the time in the world and not a ton of money, maybe Deal Machine is the right answer for you, driving around looking for properties, sending these postcards, knocking on doors, tracking information, whatever. If you have money and don't have time, then maybe you scale more with direct mail like Ballpoint Marketing. So I hope that you guys, you know, were able to enjoy this. Maybe check out the team feature and have several people driving for you and sending postcards. I think that's awesome. Either way, subscribe, like this video, let me know what you thought of it. Have a great day.